It's important your wiper blades are in top condition, keeping your windscreen clean and clear, even when you're up against the UK's unpredictable weather. You'll know your blades need replacing when they start to smear, streak or squeak. You'll find our Halfords wiper blade lookup tool on the Halfords website. This will suggest the wiper blades compatible with your car, or alternatively, simply pop down to your local store and ask a member of our team. We'll always be happy to help. There are two main types of car wiper blades. The conventional wiper blade is supplied to match the original specifications of the wiper blades which first came with your car. And then there's the flat wiper blade. This applies more pressure to the windscreen. It has a flatter aerodynamic shape to reduce wind noise and improve efficiency. This is a great replacement blade for some cars or an upgrade option from conventional blades. Generally speaking, front and rear blades need to be replaced every 12 months. This is because the rubber in the blades deteriorates. Don't forget, we offer a wiper blade fitting service. Pop into your local store and we'll fit the wiper blades for you. Head in store or to our website for more information.